on the bitter side, but the ones I tasted earlier today were pretty hot. So we'll see. So here you go.
Yeah. You ready for this? Hold on. I got a bit from the smell. Hey. Well, you can get me. Alright, guys.
Here we go. Give it a try.
Hey. Good.
Not hot?
Not hot at all. No heat whatsoever.
Really? Alright, let's try another.
It's actually good.
That should be hot now.
I'd be out.
Alright, let's try this one. What?
That one looks hot.
It's not hot.
Yeah, that one looks hot.
Try it.
That one he has looks hot.
Let's try it.
It's got seeds spilling out.
These are young ones, so I mean, they could be hot, they could be not.
It could be the hottest you've ever seen, or they could be the weakest you've
The
ever
ones
seen.
I had were pretty hot.
That's hot.
That one hot?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So eat these ones over here.
Oh man. It was hot.
He needs some fish to drown in it.
That was good.
How's the fish?